Hello, welcome to La Excellence. In our geography series, we are recording videos that are important for UPSC prelims. Now, in today's video, let us understand important canals and straits in news. PDF of this video is available in the description box. Please check once. First of all, let us understand what is the meaning of this word strait. Strait is a naturally formed narrow waterway which connects two water bodies. Let's say water body 1, water body 2. Let's say Park Strait. Park Strait connects Indian Ocean with Bay of Bengal. So, strait is a water body which connects two larger water bodies. This one is a narrow one. Narrow water body is called as a strait. That means it is a water channel that lies between two landmasses, landmass 1 and landmass 2. Next word is canal. Canal is a water channel. In general, strait is a natural water body. Canals are said to be the artificial ones. Canals are primarily used for transportation of goods and people. For example, let's say Suez Canal. Suez Canal that's in news recently, that's an artificial canal. So canals are generally used for transportation. Now let us understand the important canals first, and then let us understand important straits in the world. First one that is in news is Suez Canal. Suez Canal, why this was in news? Because of this ship Evergreen that got struck in this particular Suez Canal region, because of which this was in news. Suez Canal is an artificial canal that connects Mediterranean Sea with Red Sea. Mediterranean Sea with Red Sea. This is the canal, and this is the country of Egypt, this one. And in Egypt, this particular canal is located, Suez Canal. This particular region is Sinai Peninsula. Sinai is the name of the peninsula, Sinai Peninsula. And this particular canal connects Mediterranean Sea and Red Sea. Very important because it connects Europe and Asia. Earlier, the maritime connectivity between Europe and Asia was like this. Circle the Africa and then come to Asia. Now, the Suez Canal has provided the shortcut route for the maritime transportation between Europe and Asia. See, Suez Canal, this is important. Suez Canal, the entry port for Suez Canal is Port Said, important, Port Said. And then this is the canal, narrow one, Great Bitter Lake, Little Bitter Lake. In between we have multiple lakes, Great Bitter Lake. And then we have Gulf of Suez. That means Suez Canal connects Mediterranean Sea with Gulf of Suez, and then it enters into Red Sea region. Entry port is Port Said. From geography point of view, this is very, very important. Already as we discussed, this is Sinai Peninsula. So in Egypt, this is located in Egypt. It is between Africa and Asia. It's one of the most famous canals that connects Mediterranean and Red Sea. 8% of international trade goes through this particular route. Around 50 vessels traverse every day. 4 lakes are part of this important. What are those 4 lakes? One is Lake Manzala, this one, Lake Manzala, Lake Timsha, Great Bitter and Small Bitter Lakes. These 4 are part of this particular canal. In 2016, Suez Canal Authority has opened a new side canal. Parallel to this, a new side canal was opened at the north of the particular Suez Canal region, north region of this. Suez Canal Authority has started a new side canal. Next important canal is Corinth Canal. Corinth Canal, it's opened in 1983. Corinth Canal is located in Greece. So this is Isthmus of Corinth, and then we have this Athens region. Here we have this narrow water channel which is called as Corinth Canal. Corinth Canal, Greece. It connects Isthmus of Corinth with this particular region. Here this peninsula is known as Peloponnese Peninsula. This one is a major city of Athens. Now, this is carved into the rock of Isthmus of Corinth. It's a natural corridor between two land strips. It's a 6-kilometer long canal. It connects Gulf of Corinth with Gulf of Saronic. This is how it looks. Gulf of Koronik. So the cliff region is high, 40-meter high cliffs are there. This is one of the most used canal during the Second World War because it separates the region of Peloponnese with mainland Greece. So this was used during Second World War. This is famous tourist spot also. Next one, Kiel Canal, very important. Kiel Canal. Kiel Canal is located in Germany. See now, if you observe here, this is Germany. This is Kiel Canal. This one is Kiel Canal. This is 7.9 kilometers length, Kiel Canal. Kiel is a city, port city, which connects Baltic Sea with North Sea. Kiel Canal connects Baltic Sea with North Sea and this shortens the distance. Otherwise, it has to come like this. Now it shortens the distance. Right, Kiel Canal is artificial freshwater canal located in Germany. It connects North Sea to the Baltic Sea. Kiel is a city. On the other side, we have Holteno city. This canal acts as a shortcut and ships pass through Jutland Peninsula. Jutland Peninsula, and this also helps in reducing the harsh sea storms. Kiel Canal is most widely used canal in the world. So annually more than 43,000 ships cross through it. Next important canal is Panama Canal. It is opened in 1914. This particular canal is dug out of Isthmus of Panama. It connects Caribbean Sea with Pacific Ocean. This one, Panama Canal. Panama Canal is built like this, gateway system or multiple gate entry system. Panama Canal was initially built by USA and then now it's under control of Panama Authority, Panama Port Authority. Let's understand this. Panama Canal is world's best known man-made canal and it is considered one of the engineering feats of mankind. It is strategically and economically significant. And it provides shortest sailing between East Asia, North America and Europe. And it is opened in 1914. Earlier we used to go through till the tip of South America and then come back via Drake Pass or Strait of Magellan. Now this has provided a shortcut route. This work started in 1881, later USA by French, but later it was took up by USA. Now it is completely under Panama government, nationalized under Panama government. See, you have to go through the map pointing for this. For example, where is this Drake Passage, Strait of Magellan? This is important, right? Please go through the maps. Next important canal system is Rhine-Main-Danube Canal. That means these three are important rivers in Europe, Rhine, Main and Danube. So connecting these three rivers, there are multiple canals. That entire system is called as Rhine-Main-Danube Canal system. It's opened in 1992. It connects the Europe from this side, eastern side to western side towards the Black Sea region. That means this canal system provides connectivity from Black Sea to North Sea region. See, it doesn't mean this entire length is a canal. No, there are rivers and then connecting these rivers, there are certain canals. That's it. Other important canals include White Sea-Baltic Canal, Rhine-Main-Danube Canal, Suez Canal. Based on the length, these are the important canals in the world. Please go through this once. So what are the starting points and what are the end points? In which year it's opened? This you need not remember. Length also you need not remember. But these two you have to remember and the names of these canals we have to remember. Important. For example, St. Lawrence. St. Lawrence, it's in Canada. So likewise we have to remember this. Next, let us understand important straits in the world. Let us understand the first important one, that is Strait of Hormuz. Strait of Hormuz is located between Persian Gulf and Gulf of Oman. This is the only sea passage from Persian Gulf to the open sea. This narrow Strait of Hormuz is considered one of the most strategic straits because this Persian Gulf provides for huge reserves of oil and natural gas. And this connectivity is important. Plus, there is a conflict between Saudi Arabia and Iran. Plus, recently, Iran nuclear deal, USA coming back and then again negotiating it. So, this is one of the strategically important regions, one because of the natural resources, two because of the recent conflicts. Now, on the north coast lies Iran. To the south, we have UAE and enclave of Oman. Masundam enclave belongs to Oman. See, Oman ends here, but there's small enclave of Oman, which is called as Masundam enclave. So to these two, we have this border, Strait of Hormuz. On this side, we have Iran. This is important. Larak Island. Larak Island belongs to Iran. This island is known as Qasim Island. Qasim. So Qasim and Larak Islands, these two belong to Iran. And Oman, this region is known as Masandam Enclave. With UAE, Oman and Iran. These three countries have border with Strait of Hormuz. Next important strait is Bab el Mandeb Strait. Bab el Mandeb Strait, very, very important. This connects Red Sea and Gulf of Aden. Here. This connects Red Sea and Gulf of Aden, Bab el Mandeb. Here we have Suez Canal. So whatever is coming through this, from this enters into Red Sea, and then if it have to reach to Asian countries, it has to pass through Bab el Mandeb. That's why it is strategically very important. Next important strait is Strait of Malacca. It's a natural route between Indonesia and Malaysia. This is country Malaysia. This is Indonesia. This water channel is known as Strait of Malacca. Malacca is a city. Malacca is a city in Malaysia. That's why the name Malacca Strait. This strait is main shipping canal between Pacific Ocean and Indian Ocean. Many of the major Asian economies such as India, Thailand, Indonesia, Malaysia, these are linked to China, Japan, and all these countries. This is very, very important. Strait of Malacca between Indonesia and Malaysia. Park Strait. Park Strait is inlet of Bay of Bengal. It's located between southeastern India and northern Sri Lanka. So this one, Park Strait. This Park Strait is bounded south by Pamban Island, Adams Bridge, and Gulf of Mannar and Mannar Island. It's bounded by these things. And southwestern portion of this strait is known as Park Bay. This one is Park Bay. And this one is Gulf of Mannar. In between we have Park Strait. It receives the water from several rivers including Vaigai. Very, very important. Last day we have recorded important rivers of India. And then we discussed about Vaigai river because of the recent discovery of civilization near this particular river. Please go through it once if you have not gone through it yet. Now, Port of Jaffna is commercial center that's lies on this strait. Port of Jaffna. Jaffna is a city in Sri Lanka. Next important water strait is Bosphorus Strait. Bosphorus Strait is a natural waterway located in northwestern Turkey. This is the place, Bosphorus. It connects Sea of Marmara with Black Sea. Sea of Marmara with Black Sea. And the important city located near to it is Istanbul. And Sea of Marmara and Aegean Sea, these two are connected with Dardanelles Strait. That means for Turkey, on the north we have Bosphorus Strait, on the south we have Dardanelles Strait. And this is also strategically important. It connects Black Sea with Sea of Marmara, and it extends via Dardanelles, and it connects Aegean Sea and Mediterranean Sea. Next one is Mediterranean Sea. Next important strait is Strait of Gibraltar. Strait of Gibraltar is located between Africa, that is Morocco, and Europe, that is Spain and Morocco. Strait of Gibraltar connects Mediterranean Sea with Atlantic Ocean. This is Atlantic Ocean. This is Mediterranean Sea. This is Strait of Gibraltar. Gibraltar is a city that belongs to UK. And it separates Gibraltar and peninsular Spain with Africa. Africa country is Morocco. In Morocco, we have a city called Ceuta. This belongs to Spain. See, we have to observe these things. Why in Spain we have an enclave of UK? Why in Morocco we have an enclave of Spain? Because these are strategic locations. That's why when they were colonial powers, they held power in these areas. That's why they still have control over these regions. Next important strait is Bering Strait. Bering Strait is an important waterway between easternmost point of Asia, that is this side, Russia, and westernmost point of North America, that is Alaska. In between, we have this water channel, water strait known as Bering Strait. And this location is Bering Sea. This is Chukchi Sea. So Bering Strait connects Bering Sea and Chukchi Sea. We have Aleutian Islands. Aleutian Islands is a controversial location between Russia and USA. This is Kamchatka Peninsula, important, Kamchatka Peninsula. And this is Bering Strait. We have an island called St. Lawrence Island at the mouth of this particular strait. Next important strait is Strait of Magellan. When we discussed about the Panama Canal, we discussed about this. Strait of Magellan. Yes or no? Right, let's understand. Strait of Magellan is the most important natural passage between Atlantic and Pacific Oceans. So this is Pacific Ocean, this is Atlantic Ocean. It connects like this. Here on the southern side, we have Antarctic. There is a passage called Drake Passage that is between, here we have Antarctic and this is our South America. And then we have the Strait of Magellan. Strait of Magellan connects this one. Strait of Magellan is located, it connects Atlantic and Pacific Ocean. It is a sea route in southern Chile region. It separates mainland South America to the north and Tierra del Fuego of south. Tierra del Fuego, it belongs to Argentina. Next important strait is Kerch Strait. Very important, Kerch Strait. Kerch Strait is in news because of this Ukraine issue, controversy of Ukraine and Russia. Kerch Strait is a strait that connects Black Sea with Sea of Azov. Sea of Azov, and this is Black Sea. This connects. This is Kerch Peninsula. Russia's Crimean Bridge is built over this particular Kerch Strait. Sea of Azov and this Crimean Bridge is built over Kerch Strait. Now let us go through these straits and important canals. Suez Canal runs through which country, joins which body. Likewise, we have listed down the important ones. Please go through them once. So as like how we discussed the earlier ones, please go through them once. These are some of the other important straits and canals. And this one, let's say Yucatan Strait. It is between Mexico and Cuba. It connects Gulf of Mexico with Caribbean Sea. Likewise, just go through this once. Again, one more list. Davis Strait, let's say between Greenland and Canada. Sunda Strait, important. Java Island and Sumatra Island. So likewise, just go through this list. That's about this discussion on important straits and waterways in news. Thank you very much. All the very best.